everyone and benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this stunning modern design villa for sale near Macerata. Check it out! Today we are in Marche, near Macerata, and specifically in Tolentino, which is a tranquil and sunny location. The property is only a 30-minute drive from the seaside and enjoys a constant and pleasant breeze. Right now we are on the cypress path that leads us straight to the property. And already from here we can see the grandeur and beauty of this estate. The property is surrounded by 18 hectares of land, part of which is dedicated to a 6-hole golf course, to which 3 extra holes can be added. This is a perfect training course, so if you're a golfer, this estate was made for you. Right past the golf course is an artificial pond used both for irrigation purposes but also for recreational fishing. The main villa was built from scratch, and 3 distinct and different architectural styles were adopted. We have a first part that reminds us of a medieval tower. It has a wooden bridge and a stone guarding beneath it that reminds us of a moat. The stones on the facade were all hand cut. Adjacent and connected is the Piazzale, which is a typical and classic architectural style of the countryside in Italy. While at the far end is a modern design building, whose main materials are glass and steel. The estate has 2 entrances with automated gates that, when open up, offer the most spectacular views over the surrounding landscape. And we can truly appreciate how surrounded by nature we actually are. The property offers a variety of parking areas. In fact, this estate is made to host a large number of people. Continuing along the path, surrounded by lovely trees, is a Depedance that has a living area with kitchenette, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. We are now heading towards the main entrance of the villa, which is surrounded by a beautiful and perfectly trimmed garden with a variety of plants, trees, and flowers that were picked specifically to thrive in this area. But now, if you'll follow me, let's go inside. We are now at the main entrance of the property that opens up into this long hallway that gives us access to various parts of the villa. The hallway has these extensive windows, which allow us a view over the central cortile, but also over the surrounding landscape. At the end of the hallway, we access the contemporary design building that we mentioned previously, which is developed on 2 floors. As soon as we enter this space, we have the wow factor. This living area is absolutely incredible. The whole level has lovely, natural French oak wooden floors, and the space is divided by a central staircase. On this side of the room, we have a study from which we can exit onto the garden thanks to the glass door. This area of the house is also predisposed to add a bathroom. On the opposite side of the staircase is a TV and dining area, which is tied together by a beautiful modern wood-burning fireplace, which is perfect for warming up during the colder months. What is most impressive, as mentioned, of this building is that the main materials used are steel and glass. And to make sure that the space always maintains a stable and pleasant temperature, each window is tinted with UV ray protectors. We can also see how a lot of attention was put into the interior design. Each piece was handpicked to fit the space perfectly. From here, we have a large glass door from which we can access a shared piazzale. This piazzale is shared between the modern design building and the casale. Here we have everything to entertain. We can either relax with a good book, overlooking the surrounding landscape and the golf course, or enjoy an alfresco meal with our friends and family thanks to the outdoor kitchen with wood-burning oven and barbecue. The kitchen has wooden cabinets with stainless steel details and a travertino countertop. Or we can watch the soccer game thanks to the flat screen with our friends. And all this while enjoying the pleasant breeze thanks to the property's elevated position. As mentioned, this part of the house is developed on 2 floors. So if you'll follow me, let's check out the bottom floor. On this floor, we have the property's spa area. There is this first multifunctional space with a large table and flat screen TV. On the opposite side of the glass separator is a central lounge area with chromotherapy, and right behind it are a sauna and a hammam. On one side of the spa area is a changing room, while on the other side is a bathroom that serves the floor. From this space, we can also exit onto a spacious terrace. The terrace is home to this spacious hot tub that is served by a sunbathing area, a shower, and has a mini fridge, so you can enjoy a cool beverage in any moment. We can access this space both internally from the spa or from the garden, and we have a view over the lake and the golf course, not to speak of the amazing view over the perfectly trimmed garden. We are back in the hallway, and from here to my left, we can access a first cantina with wine tasting area, and at the end of the hallway is the garage. You have to see this garage. Just look at this impressive garage. It is definitely an added feature. It is 500 square meters and can fit around 15 cars. It has a double access, so we can reach the garage from 2 distinct parts of the property. And it is connected through an elevator with the rest of the villa. The garage also offers a full-size fridge at the perfect temperature to maintain fruits, vegetables, and liquids, as well as a full-length sub-zero freezer. As mentioned, the villa features different architectural styles. Right now, we are entering the tower from its own independent access. And to reach the front door, we have to cross this wooden bridge, and underneath is the stone garden that reminds us of a river. I personally love this touch. The tower is connected internally to the casale. However, it could also become an independent unit. When entering the tower, we are greeted by this cozy sitting area, while on the opposite side is built-in closet space with internal illumination. The floors throughout the house have this lovely combination between travertino marble and natural French oak wood. To my left is a guest bathroom that serves the floor, while to the right is a laundry room that has access onto an external space. Continuing down the hallway, we have the elevator from which we can access each floor of the villa, and also a basement floor where we find a panic room that was transformed into an entertainment space. So if you'll come with me, let's check it out. The property has this particular space that was created as a panic room. In fact, the only access is by elevator, but now has been transformed into an entertainment area. Over here is your own home cinema with Bose surround sound system where you can enjoy your favorite movies. And on the opposite side is a whiskey bar. This space maintains a constant 20-degree temperature, so it is the ideal place to create a full-on cantina where you can store your favorite wines. We are back on the ground floor, and this is where the tower ends and the Piazzale starts. If one wanted, this part of the house could be closed off, creating an independent unit as mentioned. Here we have this beautiful glass staircase that leads us to the bedroom area, and continuing, the space opens up into this living and dining area, where the true centerpiece is this amazing fireplace. It is a working wood-burning fireplace, and the deep red backsplash and the minimalistic furnishings truly highlight its majesty. From here, we can connect easily to the kitchen. This designer kitchen is simple and sleek. It has travertino floors and a cozy breakfast table. All the appliances in the kitchen are Miele, and we have an induction stove, oven, and double sinks. The kitchen has a double exposure that lets in a lot of natural light, but also allows a stunning view over the garden. Adjacent to the kitchen is an access that brings us back to the hallway that leads us to the contemporary building. Here within the living area is this corner that lets in a lot of natural light, but also gives us access onto the shared piazzale. On the opposite side of the living area, in respect of the kitchen, is a cozy TV area where you can enjoy relaxing moments. The upper floor is home to 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Over here is the master bedroom that we will see later on, and this area of the house is the top floor of the tower. To my right are 2 double bedrooms which share a central bathroom. Thanks to the many and large windows, the whole property enjoys a lot of natural light. And adjacent is a walk-in closet. At the end of the hallway are 2 guest bedrooms that share a bathroom. The bathroom has a rain shower with chromotherapy. The first guest bedroom has a double exposure that offers the most amazing views over the surrounding landscape, not to speak of natural light. The second guest bedroom also has many windows and a lot of natural light. But this room is particular because it is already predisposed to become an independent apartment if one wanted, adding a kitchenette and bathroom. And why do I say independent? Because it has an armed door that accesses a staircase that leads us back to the main piazzale. This property is extremely versatile. Is a high security property. In fact, the master bedroom has an armed door, so you can feel even more safe in your own room. We have beautiful wooden floors, a walk-in closet, and a master bathroom with lovely rain shower and chromotherapy. Over here is an accent wall with flat screen TV, and adjacent is access to a private terrace that frames the most lovely view over the garden and the surrounding landscape. It almost looks like a painting. From the terrace, we have a spiral staircase from which we can access the rooftop terrace. So let's go. Here we are on the rooftop terrace that offers us a 360-degree view over the surrounding countryside. This space is covered in teak wood, and it is the perfect place to enjoy relaxing moments. It is also already predisposed to add a hot tub. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this luxury estate for sale nelle Marche. On that note, ciao!